guys, it's me, and a disclaimer before I start this video: if you see any paint on my hands, that's because I've been painting these LPS here. Please do not copy the design of these LPS. It'll make me upset because I put a lot of thought into trying to create what these LPS will look like. So yeah, please do not copy them because I've made them myself. Also, if you hear any rattling in the background of this video, please note that I cannot fix that, unfortunately. It's sort of stuck with the camera I used to film with, so yeah, let's get on to the video. What should I eat? Pizza, taco, hamburger, cheese, macaroni, or cheesecake? I have no idea. Maybe I'll just get a bone. Yeah, I'll get a bone. Are you sure you want a bone? Because they're like so 2017. Whoa, okay, first of all, where did you come from? And second of all, bones are so not 2017, they are 2019, and they are delicious. Oh God, Miss Sassy Pants. Look, I'm not supposed to be here. I'm supposed to be in my detention. So just keep your mouth shut. God. If my boss finds out that I'm out of my detention room, I'm gonna be in big trouble. Mr. Sparks! Oh my God, great. Now it's after me and it's all your fault because you wouldn't let me go and you just had to distract me to get your order. I'm supposed to be in detention and now you've just, I left to do something and then you were here and then I had to take your order because I'm supposed to and that's my job, and now I'm gonna get caught by the boss, and you do not know what happens when you get caught by the boss. Oh my God, what am I gonna do? I have no idea. Oh, this is all your fault. Okay, I still don't see how this is all my fault here. First of all, I just came here like any normal person that was hungry, and this was the only cheap option. Second of all, it was your fault you're gonna get in trouble because you left the detention room at the wrong time. So basically, I'm leaving now because you didn't give me my bone, and yeah. So bye! No, wait, come back! Oh, no, the big boss is gonna catch me. Oh, I have to hide somewhere. But where? Little Jimmy always has an idea on where to hide. Little Jimmy! Little Jimmy! Little Jimmy! Oh my God, I have nowhere to hide. The top deck, of course. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Big boss. Big boss. Big boss. Big boss. I have to get out of here. The boss will find you.
Hi, my name's Peaches. Don't ask me why I'm here because I have no idea why. Sugar blackmailed me to say goodbye to you guys. So yeah. I don't know if I've already said my name's Peaches, but my name is Peaches, and if you've lasted till the end of this video and you see this, please comment down below, #ISawPeaches. So yeah, thanks for watching, and happy Halloween! Bye!